You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast, where today we explore why Ireland has become one of the most popular destinations for Americans moving overseas and how SDC International Shipping helps make that journey smooth, affordable, and stress-free. More than 10,000 Americans now call Ireland home. Many hold dual citizenship, but countless others move there for opportunity, connection, and a simpler pace of life. Ireland's unique charm lies in its balance. It's both deeply traditional and globally connected. Positioned between North America and Europe, it's a perfect launch pad for travel, work, and family life. From the thriving tech industries of Dublin and Cork to the art festivals of Galway and the quiet beauty of Killarney, Ireland offers something for everyone. But the move itself can feel daunting, and that is where SDC International Shipping comes in. We've been moving clients from every U.S. state to Ireland for over a decade. Whether you're relocating for work, study, retirement, or adventure, we manage every detail. From professional packing to custom clearance and final delivery. With a network of affiliates throughout America, we begin your move anywhere: Los Angeles, Miami, Houston, New York, and we deliver your household goods, vehicle, or artwork anywhere in Ireland. Our door-to-door international moving service means your belongings don't get shipped. They get shepherded every mile of the way. While you're preparing your visa or securing housing, SDC is preparing your shipment with precision and care. Moving to Ireland is about more than changing addresses. It's about embracing a new lifestyle. And with SDC by your side, that change begins with confidence. Start your move to Ireland today with the experts who make global relocation simple. Visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com, or call 877-339-0267 for your free moving quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.